Order filled. Order filled.
Hello, 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 hello. A lot of sellers right there. But I like your idea, bro. It's uh
890 is our weekly kickoff flow. So we're beneath the weekly low. But the way we drop is crazy. I wonder if we're gonna go pick some of that up
tap
before
the
8.
hour if everybody got two.
I'm liking that. I'm thinking on this 30-second, if it breaks,
That's 56 points off that fair value gap. Whoa, we are moving. Whoa, that was 58 points on this 15 minute. This new 15. We are moving.
if we break 903, I'll be getting in front of the bar.
Yeah, green on the tape now. Yep. That was a good setup. I just wasn't ready for it.
Um,
That was a really good setup. I just was not ready for it.
okay, we just broke above that weekly
Nice.
kickoff flow. Coming up to 903 now. Don't see how I close beneath it.
Five coming up. If this next five, if this can give me a fair value gap here, totally buying that.
Yeah, I definitely want to see it. Yeah, it already broke and tested that. But it's like, I actually got in. I got in a 902.
Damn. I'm not even surprised. It's just I just didn't. I wasn't ready.
That's fine. I'll be more. 902. I'll take profit. It's very, very, very far.
100 points off that fair value gap. That's crazy.
I gotta see how we act inside of this 30-minute fair value gap. If we do go above it, I want to see it go to 131.
Here we go. Fair value gap coming up. I'm gonna buy there just for three. If it taps it, I'm in there 100%.
Hey, hey. Okay. I want to take some off. So close to that midpoint. We at 935. I want to see it break 935. That's another area of resistance on the 30-second. There we go. Breaking 935.
That's unfortunate.
Our midline is at 950. A beautiful round number on the 30-minute value gap. The midline was 950. I might say I put it on HDMI 1, and then she turned on the controller, but it wasn't. That's what I figured it was.
If we can come back into that fair value gap, a little bit of sales right there coming up.
All
Green on the
right,
tape.
it was 950.
Damn!
950 delivered.
Damn!
950 delivered. I think I might close my whole trade.
Tap that 15 minute as well. That is crazy. That is a mega trade right here. Wow. I was no entry. Oh, it wasn't entry. I just wasn't looking at it. I wasn't here. Some mega trade. Green on the tape. Just picture perfect.
950 is that 30 minutes of already got midline. If it respects it,
Look at the VIX coming down. Can you imagine?
Yeah, it just topped at 30 minutes, which could like been a pull up to continue down. But if it continues high, if it respects it and goes above the midline and closes and retest that midline line to go up, I'll be taking it to the next 30 minutes. Fair value that midline, which is 132. But it's rejecting it on the 32nd as of now. Nothing too harsh though.
I don't even know if I want to still take this buy. Like, I kind of am mixed now because it tapped at 15 and at 30, like you were saying, and it's like I don't know, it could go lower.
It's waiting around for a little bit. I'm thinking it's waiting until 9:45. But if you look left, we have a lot of just straight candle sales, even on the 32nd. So the 32nd had big candles. So that means that it's an inefficiency there. So I'm thinking like today is Friday. We do got news today. Nothing too major, but it is a red voter.
Do we?
Tomorrow.
It says orange for me.
So I'm thinking it's going to use that to go back up and fill in that inefficiency from last night. That's what I'm looking for. And it's on the 32nd, I'm seeing inefficiency. So, yeah, I'm feeling that. I am feeling buy side, intermediate buy side at 117. Keep right in if I value that at 131 midline. And then overall buy side at 185.
This is about to piss me off. This is the same setup that happened yesterday.
Okay.
Wow.
So I think it's gonna do a pullback because we just shot up. Even on the 5 minute, like we shot up and we have that big old candle on the 5 minute. So if he's gonna pull back down, it's creating a 5 minute value gap underneath him. Or he's gonna come back down and tap into that and then use that to go higher. Like bust through the 30 minute value gap. That's what I'm looking.
2 minute fair value gap. Turning red. Everything's turning red. I don't know if I still like this buy. Need 5 minute. I don't know if I still like it. I actually don't like it anymore. Oh well. Yeah, I don't like it. It's right on the tape, top of 15 minute. I don't like it.
I think it's gonna come down. I'm expecting it to come down. I want red right now. Come on down. I need
New
to
point of
see
control
some
here.
pullback. We shot up too quickly and we left people behind. We left orders behind. So I want to see it come back and tap into this 5 minute fair value gap. We got 2 5 minute fair value gaps under the book.
Yeah.
It comes out the first one if it wants to. Come tap it, use that buying pressure to go up and close above the 30 minute midline. Tap into it, shoot out of it, and it goes to that next 30 minutes. That's the trade for today. Like that's what I'm seeing. I don't really see nothing going lower unless it wants to take out last week's low. Because that's the next stopping point last week's low, but I know that we do have a gap down.
Yeah, I don't like if this was to continue higher. I don't know.
Because this is what happened. It's so weird. So what happened is it tapped into that daily fair value gap and immediately rejumped off of it. We have a daily fair value gap beneath us. And we tapped it. But we are pulling back like we rejected it. We didn't even pick them up. I think we probably went like 25% into it.
I have no trade idea. Unless to take it high or low or something. Right now, I have no trade idea.
I think that when it comes up, like I'm being dead serious, I'm hoping what I want to see is that's what I want to see. That's exactly what I want to see. So on the 4 hour, we have a break. 4 hour has a break at 1:44. That's when it broke structure. And that's one big old candle on a 4 hour. So we're about to have our next 4 hour candle. I'm hoping that it goes up and tries to tap into that. And we have a 30-minute fair value gap right at the break of the 4 hour. Like right underneath the break. Like the top of the fair value gap touches the break of the 4 hour. So I would really like to see a 4 hour candle, the next one, go up, wick up to continue lower into that daily fair value gap. That's what I'm hoping to see. AM session wicks up. Let's see. So, yeah, and then going into lunch and PM, that's when it starts to fall down. And then the next candle, 4 hour candle, might continue it lower. That's what I'm thinking. Oops.
Sounds good.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna pay attention to these.
Bro, this shit is like a cheat code, bro. What the heck? Yo, this thing is like a cheat code. What? Wow. That's crazy. I would have bought that. Normally, like, all, like, if I didn't have this volume profile thing, I would have 100% bought this fair value gap here. 100%. No hesitation. And it just broke right through it.
The rejection was 30-minute one is pretty on a 30-second. Broken tester right there. That was a whole 50 points on the breaker retest on a 30-second. Like a 30-second is giving me 50 points in literally 3 minutes. That's crazy. Change this back to 20. Because I believe it just gave me the pullback I was looking for into that 5 minute. I just missed my entry. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, that's
315.
no. Why are you gonna come back
It's
down?
right on the tape as well. Boy, point of control is up there. I would stay clear of this market right now.
Well, we have that 5 minute for value gap. It just tapped into again. It must be.
So watching that, but to me, it doesn't look. I think it's not probable. Cause this doesn't look probable to me. Like I kind of want to look for a sell, but not now.
Ooh, nice.
Not now.
If we disrespect the 5 minute midline,
Bro, this shit is like a cheat code, bro. What? I would have 1000% bought that every single time. What?
see,
It's
I'm
like a
liking
cheat code.
this as a buy so much because we broke out of consolidation. We've been consolidating since. I have to get my timing right. I'm getting my timing wrong. Okay, we've been consolidating since 8 o'clock. Right? Yes. Okay. 8 o'clock, and we broke out of it with a perfect break and retest. I don't want to see this try to come down. Like we have built up this pressure for a whole hour. I at least want to see it come up more. So fill in this 5 minute fair value gap above us.
Above us?
We have a 5 minute fair value gap above us.
Oh, that one.
I want to see
Well, we
it.
we tapped it
We tapped it,
and we rejected it.
we left a big inefficiency. And the market don't like inefficiencies.
But it could if it was going lower, that would be a good place. That would have been a good place to sell off of. If we tapped it on the 15, it's a new 15-minute candle. I'm like, I just know right now I'm not trading. I wanted to pick a side, and then once it picks a side, I'm looking at shorts though, just because we left that 15-minute, and then The volume profile is just, I don't see any buyers in this area here. That's so crazy, bro. I would have 1000% bought this. And that's what I did yesterday. Man, you live, that's why
What did you
losses
do
are.
yesterday? Shoot, you know.
Oh, yesterday we'll talk about it. But I'm saying that's what I did yesterday, and I took a loss on that. And I bought it even though there was no. I bought it. I had a nice setup. It was a nice pattern. I liked the pattern. I bought it, but there weren't any buyers there. And then I was like, I was thinking it would still work, right? Like, why is it that serious? And then it didn't work. But and that's what I learned from this, and that's why I didn't take the trade. If I took this trade, like let's say this pattern worked, I'd have been so confused today, but it didn't work. Like I would have been in serious soup. Even this, if this were to go up here, I wouldn't even be mad because I'd be in serious soup. Like all this drawdown, nope. Thank you.
Well, I don't know. I'm just practicing, so I'm about. I have to like take my idea setups no matter what. It kind of sucks, but I have to weed out. I have to weed out my setups. I did. I mean, yesterday. I traded a little bit yesterday on a practice, and I did really good. So I'm kind of trying to keep that momentum with thinking the same way. I know we got a 5 minute fair value gap beneath us. Well, we're not trying to drop out of this 30-minute fair value gap that we're at. We rejected the midline, but we're rejecting the bottom of it as well.
A lot of sellers there. A lot of sellers there at the bottom, but it's not holding price down. I'm not trading this. We're in the chop zone.
You think we're the chop? We're not. We broke out of chop.
Yeah, it's gonna chop. I can.
No, we broke out of chop. We broke out of it. We broke out of it with our 925 candle on a 5 minute. Like we literally broke out of consolidation.
If this doesn't break that low, it's gonna chop 100%. If it doesn't break that swing low at like 820, it's gonna chop 100%. And that's for sales. Buying, I already freed buying.
I'm liking the buying idea. We broke up to the upside, and we have a 30-minute fair value gap. The top has not been mitigated. Like it's literally open, and then we have a 5 minute fair value gap inside of the top part of a 30-minute fair value gap. Are we playing right now? Like, why are we playing right now? This is ridiculous. And we broke out of consolidation and broke the last up candle on a 5 minute. That was above the consolidation. I'm definitely feeling a buy. I don't know.
Point of control move lower.
I want to see it go hit 16. That's what I want to see.
Okay, buyers are at the top there. Okay, buyers are at the top there. So if we respect, hey. I don't like this. I don't like this.
Look at it on the top.
Yeah, the 5 minute, like the pattern looks nice. It looks beautiful. I like the pattern, and I see what you're talking about. But I'm just looking at this volume profile. It just doesn't look clean. Like how it was earlier when we opened. That was clean. That volume profile was clean, and I wish I was in it, but I wasn't. Now it looks dirty. So it's like, let me just wait. So nice.
And that's the thing, we're like really in between PD arrays. Like we have a daily beneath us and a 30-minute above us. But I mean, we've been selling all night. Even about ain't no way we're gonna just leave that open up there like that.
If you look at the hourly, right, it looks like that crown stuff you were talking about. Like make that crown and now look like it's coming down, like a head and shoulders. So that's why I'm like also, you know,
You said on the hourly?
huh?
You said on the hourly?
Yeah.
Hourly?
That's why I'm like, it could keep going lower. But like I said, I don't know. Right now, I don't have a trade idea, but it's like I could see the sells and then I can also see the buys. So because of that, I'm just gonna stay still.
I'm seeing buys, but I'm seeing it in a. It's gonna wake up. It's not gonna stay. It's not
Look
a
at
long
that.
term buy.
Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. That might flush right there. Let me see. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. That could be nothing happened on the value profile. I don't know why I just did that. Look like sellers might take those over below that 820 level. Does that give me a fair value gap? 100%. I'm so happy I did not take that trade. Oh my God. That is a win in my book. Holy moly. Cause I took that
What you gonna
yesterday.
take? What trade? The
That fair
buy up?
that fair value got by. It was a good setup. It was clean. It looked like it was going higher. I would have taken that. But I didn't because the volume profile was ugly. And there was no buyers in there. Or whatever. Let's see this breakdown. E5 coming up. This is gonna break down here. New hour. There's a 200-point hourly candle on a 136-point ATR. And then for the break of the low to continue, that'd be crazy.
Even 993. I like to see that too. As I said, it's so many fair value gaps on top of each other up here. We gotta. It's too many fair value gaps up here. I at least want to see it go wicked. It has to go up there and wick some stuff out before it goes down.
But what did I say it was gonna be chop? Oh, bro, this is a cheat code, bro. This is a cheat code. What? Oh my God. I learned this yesterday, bro, was so eye-opening, and today, like, this is a literal cheat code. I would have bought that. What? Oh my God. I have to show you this later.
Hold on. I have a. I'm down to ask myself what I have taken this trade, being that I have a nice cushion on this account. Like I traded pre-market and kind of ran it up some. But I definitely want to see this go up and touch 993. Be out here fast. Like we keep coming up and keep going. And that's right here about this weekly kickoff going on. What's up? What's up? Okay, I'm gonna keep something in a minute. Teddy, I didn't call you up here, bro. Is it going to be 10 o'clock?
And news, right? That's the news also.
Yes.
It look like we're waiting for it, right?
Yep. So it's time to story.
Two
It's
minutes,
just
2 minutes till.
playing around.
Man. See that small seller right there? I won't lie. I think the play might be to take the high out, 960. Take that high.
Okay, I could do something because I got my take profit at 993,
And
which is
then
like the
continue to go
midpoint
lower.
of like all the fair value gaps. Like I think it's an hourly one, a 5 minute one. It's just fair value gaps all right here.
Yeah, I think take the high out 960. Then continue to go lower. New hour. Maybe.
Right, because that would create the wick for our new hour, our new 4 hour candle.
Maybe, right?
That's what I'm thinking.
400
Like
points on the ATR. 200 points on 4 hours. We have a 400 point ATR on a 200 point. Well, we have a 400 point,
30 seconds.
460 point candle on a 200 point ATR. That is insane. Fair beat indicator.
20 seconds to lose.
Sphere. Heat map. Things red. Here we go. New hour.
Mm-hmm. Why is my alarm going? Oh, because it's set on Toledo time. It's telling me it's 9. Wait, it's 9 o'clock, but it's not 9 o'clock. Never mind. I gotta change all my alarms. Everything's going up at the wrong time. I just took my $300. So I ain't got time to play with this damn thing. It's taking too long. I want to just see it. I want to see it do it quickly. It's not doing it what I want. I want to see it hold above 903. So I'm giving it.
903.
Yeah, it wasn't giving yet. If you look left at 750 over there, like on the 5 minute, that's our last up candle. And it broke it at 930 and tried to hold it. And it just tapped at 30 minute and rejected. But then it didn't fall out of the 30 minute, which is why I was thinking a buy. Like I really want, there it goes. Now I want to be above 900. Okay. I'm just gonna take you to 21,000 if you give me the opportunity to.
Right on the table. Holy. Still chopping.
Wait.
That's crazy. What 100%.
Wait. Wait, do we have another payment? I don't use sugar when I swim. Oh, she loves me. She's gonna make me coffee. It's not good.
Ooh. Ho, bro, take that high, I dare you. Take that high, I dare you. Oh man, bro, I'm about to take a break. Take that high, I dare you, bro. I'm selling that with every bone in my motherfucking body. Take that high, I dare you. I literally dare you. You better. If it don't go down,
She said say less.
if it go down, hey sir, what's the weather like? I dare you. Take that high.
Okay, I'm back in bond. No, it did not temporarily deactivate my account because I went over the profit. Oh my gosh.
Hey Siri, what's the weather like?
Ignorant thing.
It's currently partly cloudy and 60 degrees. Expect cloudy skies starting in the afternoon, then clear skies starting in the evening. Temperatures are heading down from 62 to 52 degrees tonight.
Take the high. I dare you.
Then I'm going another account. I didn't think I was running them up like that, but I guess I was running them up. Baby. Okay, Erica.
For it to break the high. Yep. Mm-hmm. I dare you. Do it. Do it. I'm gonna sell this with every motherfucking bone in my body. New 5 coming up.
I want 2100. Wait, you're like, just take the high, that's it. Wait.
2100?
I want
2100.
21,000, yeah.
Oh yeah. I mean, if it goes up there, like that's also a good sell too.
That's what I'm not sure about.
But I wanted to take the high. I want to see the price action there, and then I'm looking to sell that 100%. There's buyers here, but there's like small sellers stacked up at the high right there. I know exactly this play, bro. That's that play where it's like,
now is it sellers or is it stop losses?
not sellers. Sellers, if it's a stop loss. So if it's buying, so that would mean it's sellers. That would mean it's okay. So if it's above price, that means it would be sellers, and those sellers would be buyers. So buyers, and I don't know if that makes sense, but it's basically sellers.
Okay. I wasn't sure if like sellers got in earlier, but they stopped trading.
And then it would be buy orders.
Got you. Okay. I get what you're saying. Come on, get up there. I might just take this little 1,000 off the table. Get up there.
And that's bearish SMT, like.
It created a fair value gap. A 5-minute fair value gap will create one.
And that's bearish SMT. The sellers are not lifting their orders either. I dare you, bro. I literally dare you. Oops.
I swear, when I get my XFA, if I'm not doing crazy numbers like I'm doing on these practices, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be pissed off.
Yo, back at the high. Bearish SMT, by the way.
Nice. Oh my gosh, bro. Now I gotta put the pencil again.
Man, look at that. Hesitating. I promise you. I'm selling this with every bone in my body. There's no reason why that shouldn't have taken a high. Green on the tape. That should have taken a high. I promise you. I'm selling this with every bone in my body. Do you see how... Look, bro, I'm about to sell this, bro. I'm about to sell this. Test the high again. I dare you. Come on. It just turned red, bro. Bro, this is so obvious. Bearish might have take this sell. I want to take it so bad. Just take the high. Bearish some T. Should I take it? I'm taking
Order
it.
filled.
I took it. Fuck it. Have to, bro. That is too... That right there, all I needed, bro. All I needed.
Teddy, why are you crying to me? Why are you crying? Do nothing. I don't know why you're over there crying to me like he's my boyfriend and I just do everything right now.
Baby, I like your smell.
Okay. Cody. Ouch, bro.
What?
Okay, so it gave me
5.
it gave me a break and recess of 919. Oh, we do have a 5-minute for everybody got from the defense. If I say, if you don't get your ass up there and quit playing games with me, we talked about 5 minutes for everybody got.
All right, good call.
Man, I promise you, it needs to go give me $21. Like, why are you playing? You did a break and retest, and then the next candle you tap into the. Okay, wait. Break and retest with a FVG, and you tap back into the 5 minute for value gap. You did all that in 3 candles. 3 5-minute candles, you did all that. That's like, wait, 1, 2, 3 confirmations for me. For that. Oh, I haven't tasted it. I'm about to burn my mouth. It's never too much creamer. Okay, so, ooh, I like the little, I don't know, ice action I'm seeing right here. Just, ooh. Give me 20
Order filled.
Baby, stop playing with me. Stop, Erica. Why are you playing? Oh my gosh. What my ineligible accounts got the daily thing on them, and oh my gosh, it just kicked me out and kept going.
Damn, you 5. That top of the 5 was crazy.
Now it going to my,
I still all through that too.
it just went to my TP whatever. Which fair value gap was that?
On the 5.
Okay. It tapped, which fair value gap was that?
On the 5.
No. This is something else. It tapped, okay, so go to the hourly, make an FVG. It just tapped that perfectly in the mid, like it just to the tick, hit the midline of it. Do you see that?
Yeah, I think I have it marked up.
It went straight to the midline of it. That was that candle's inefficiency of that big old drop we had. And when it has a big drop like that on a big candle, it always does 50%. Always. Every time. I'm just saying. I don't have no more time.
Yeah, this is a trade I was supposed to take right here. Oh, fucking well. Yeah, that was the trade I was supposed to take. I got a little impatient. That's okay.
Order
I'll
filled.
take this instead.
Just be careful. Okay? Just be careful.
Yep.
Because we have a 5-minute FPG and the midline of that is 15. And we got yesterday's low at 40, which we never tapped it. But I said this might be like a cup and handle formation for real. A cup and handle formation means we might go up to 178. That's the scary thing. When we drop like that, we have to go. We're gonna, oh,
I just have to 1 minute. This could be buying right here.
actually, my buy is up on the buy all day.
Order
I
filled.
This could be a buy. It's like all buys through all here.
Yeah, I'm really from the buys. We got buy side.
Order filled.
I'd rather take that.
193 is a buy side. What are you doing?
No, I just got. I reversed that. That was not a sell. It can't be a sell. They just tapped the fair value gap on the 1. E15. There's buyers all through out here. So
Yeah, you probably should pull back though. The 5-minute candle was showing wants to pull back a little bit.
also this
All
one.
right, we're coming to the midline of the 30-minute. We might bounce off of that and go up. I'll come right now.
Now sellers
Okay.
want to pick up. What?
I think we're pulling back.
Order
Gotta get out of
filled.
that.
We gotta be jumping in the trades and take a step back and find the next setup.
I get that. Get out of that. There's just too many sellers right there.
Don't look at none of your indicators. Look at your price action. Look for your FPGs. Look for your trading style. Don't rely on the indicators because when there's a lot of value and stuff going on, or like today's Friday, it's the last day before holiday. Think about your setups. Think about your rules. Don't think about none of the technicals. Like leave them where they're at. I wouldn't be using another one. Look at price action and read what you know. You know how to trade, so let's find your setup. On the next one. more is gonna come. You know it is. So Tasia, I need a toaster. No, I'm too short. It's not on a menu, but it's just on nothing be okay.
Should keep going or
That's gonna be empty up there because Erica can't reach up a lot of steps to it.
yeah, it's right about that. That doesn't go low. What the fuck? Oh. That doesn't go lower. I don't know what will. Right on the tape.
Okay, so we just tap. Oh, we tapped that. I want to provide that. Which
It's
one's?
my fucking setup, bro. Like, oh god,
I think that's the hourly. The 5 one is above it. The 5 midline to value gap is at 15. That was the hourly. It tapped that hourly for value gap. Midline. And it's boom.
This is my whole fucking setup I was waiting for. Took it too early and put away there. Bias through there. It's not crazy. It's my whole setup. Wow. Wow. Point of control right there. That just needs to fall. There's no bias through here. That's just gonna fall. Just like right on the tape. That's gonna fall. It's just right on the tape. Delete that.
Where's your point of control at?
This is right at 933.
993. I wonder why Top Steps is at 192. Right under
Right on the
top
tape
of the
too,
setup.
bro.
And yesterday's value area.
I start my porting control from the open. I don't do like the whole day. I anchored it at the open. Read through all this, bro. This is going down to the lower day.
Okay.
Bro, this is going down a lower day. I mean, come on. This was literally this entire setup. This is literally the setup I was waiting for. I wanted to go above the high. Once it went up above that high, what else? I wanted to see. You said you wanted to come up to 2100.
I wanted to see it hit 2100, but it literally it stopped at the midline, which is still fine.
And then I was like, I wanted to see. Then I said I wanted to see how price action is above it. What did it do? It got up there, and then it started showing red on the tape. Took the sell. I've been a good trade. FOMO got me.
Okay, so when you are looking, what are you looking for when it does all that? Are you looking for displacement or?
I'm looking for
to create a fair value gap.
I'm looking for. It depends. Like right now, this was like it went up in there, and then it was showing red on the tape, and then it tapped the fair value gap actually. So that's all I need. It tapped the midline of the fair value gap, and it left the wick there. So that was all I needed. And then there was red on the tape, so I got in that.
Okay, so you don't look for displacement at all?
Displacement. If it displaces, you already missed the move.
No, so when it creates a displacement, the displacement is where it creates the fair value gap. And then it comes back into it.
Well, it depends on the setup. Like it depends on the setup. Like it depends on the setup. If it's a like if I'm looking for a fair value gap, then yeah, displacement, all that, you know. But like let's say it,
Like right there, it just tapped down 1 minute fair value gap for sale.
and that's I'll probably get back. I want to add back into that, but I just missed it. I was just talking, but I think I'm okay. I'm already.
I don't understand how you trade. I figured you look for FVGs after displacements.
It depends. It depends. Like I could. It tapped into a fair value gap. You understand me? That, and then it gave me It gave me a right on tape there. Yeah, it tapped into a fair value gap and it left the wick. That's all. That's a displacement. But hopefully this continues to go lower. Should, why not?
Okay, so like when I say a displacement, right? I don't know. Maybe I'm looking at it wrong.
Start breaking lows there, buddy.
My bias is again bias, so I don't know. Like when it broke above that 903, that officially became a buy for me because it broke the previous down candle. The next down candle, I mean the next up candle is at 115. And that's on a 5 minute. Like when it broke that, it was nothing but gray candles. Like it did a swing high, nothing but down candles, and then it did one up candle, and then the rest down candles into that daily fair value gap. And then we consolidated. And then once we broke that, and it's showing nothing but holding above that 903, that was not the price for me. Right there was a beautiful break and retest on the 5 minute at 971. To take it up to the 5 minute fair value gap. That's an interesting play. Yeah. To go down, okay, like that.
Order filled.
What did you just do?
No way. No way. Don't do that. No way. No way. No way. No way. Nah, that's not gonna do that. Right? You're not gonna be a dickhead, right?
Right, don't touch 959.
You're not gonna be a dickhead, right? You're not gonna be a dickhead. Right?
Okay, to 959.
Oh, that's gonna piss me off.
Let's see. Oh, man.
Wow, this is gonna be a dickhead. I just left my stop. I mean, it looked like it was better take. How can
It's gonna go, is it gonna go 951? There we go.
Wow. Should have just left my stop. Just pissed me off. Just pissed me off, bro.
It's just talking so far you got underneath the I don't know where I got that from, but it's there. What is it, a woman? It's happened to a woman with a value back on her. Once we jump in on the line of that big hour refurb, but these
Can't even blame me, bro. Like that shouldn't have went back all the way back and tested that high like that. Like, I can't even be mad at myself for taking that. Like, fuck. But for current, but I think I'll just wait for it. Yeah, like maybe the structure wasn't ready. Like maybe need 15, I'll go. Like 5, 15 coming up. And displacement there, that'll be a better setup. Just looks better.
learn.
Holy shit, bro.
I know she'll set the table over everything, but he's already ready.
Yeah, because this is not like, yeah, this makes more sense. Holding below the, what is this? That is June. Okay, yeah, definitely. What's that, Aaron? On H.
I'm liking this rejection, like pull back up on the 5 minute. Like that down candle not want to go lower than the last down candle. I like that.
Order filled.
What did you go to?
So, so,
You want to sell? I just told you that it was the
Order filled.
so,
the way that on a 5 minute way that down candle, it was resisting going lower than the previous down candle. I'm gonna slip on this phone. I'm so cold.
Paris here, but we just not going like. Fuck. What the fuck? What's going on?
I can't play hide and seek, but now I'm open. When I even working, you guys sleeping. What can we do? I think we're busting out. I was trying to bust out now 30 to 25 seconds to the time of the candle. See how the next candle about to be. And let's see.
You could give us a gap to the upside that we could fill, but golly, that's so far away. Or I mean, could fill it, but like you're just not getting the.
I
It's just
really
buys.
think we're going up.
Yeah, I think so. I think so. It's like if we haven't gone down by now, it's just buyers all throughout this area now. It's not. It's like sellers are. It's like I don't know. I'm scared. Like the buying hasn't let up yet. The selling hasn't. I mean, the selling hasn't come in yet, and then buyers are just staying around here, and then like, but there's just no setup. But if I buy this and it comes down. Slash is lower, that would be pretty annoying because this is a setup for a sell and a 15-minute fair value gap. ES is same thing. Like, I don't know.
First, second, solid is for right up still. I think it's just playing around right now. And then that time is right. I said, what is it, 9:36? That's my time. 10:36. I am really feeling like I want to see it go up here.
Yeah, good buy. Red on tape and we're still going higher. I think that's a buy for me, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
We had a 30-minute fair value gap above us that I really want to see.
Order filled.
Like that work.
I really want to see it.
Who's calling my phone?
Did you avoid your customer again today? Not just yet. I was doing 2 seconds. Okay. You mean, I already got 2 shades of darker on being at the pool in just one day.
Barely any buyers. Well, it's the weak buyers, I should say. It's still Delta. Awesome.
I'm still, I think it's gonna go slow and steady. Like, it pushed up really quickly, but now it's just gonna slow and steady to where it wants to go. Like that grind higher that we all love, hate so much. Hate to grind higher. I think that's what it's gonna do. It's just gonna grind higher. Pull it back, Run a little higher. For that, run a little higher. Like, that's how it's always been doing. I'm gonna take bucket at 15, because that's a 5 minutes already got midline. At 15, I want that. And then I'll think about it after that. Or do I want to just take some off right there? Because if it passed through that, it might just go out of the 30-minute value gap, because we're in the 30-minute value gap. Yes. What do you need? I don't really want you to hold my computer with 2 hands. Because if you drop it, your birthday is next week. What day?
5 minutes coming up.
Tuesday.
I look like it's about to break through that line. Ours are still Delta positive here, but they're weak. Weak buyers, weak buyers, weak buyers. Still buyers.
I think it's gonna pop up quickly. And when it does, it's probably just gonna go tap 15 and the reject. If it does. 3 minutes left for this 15-minute candle.
75, I should
That's what I
go.
want to see. I want to see it go in top 15 and reject 15. And then it might reject it. And then, shit, it might not. Look at that 30 minutes. It might not. Yeah, 15 is where my takeoff is at. I'm not going no higher because it's unsure. I don't even like the value that it's trying to give me.
The what?
Like the volume.
The volume?
I don't. Listen, wait, stop. No, you made me feel self-conscious when I try to say it. No.
Piss me off when you say that. The almond, the
The
volume,
V, the V,
the almond, the volume.
the V. Oh, gosh, I can't stand you.
Well, buyers ain't that strong. A little bit stronger. But
I do want it to be stronger. I want to see it go top 15, give me a beautiful pullback, and then continue up. It's just 3 minutes left in this candle. Come on, baby. Get your head up there. I'm holding this train for too long.
I'm surprised that, like, it's still showing buyers in this area, but that's interesting. I never knew something like this could happen. Maybe it's like accumulation or something. I'm confused, bro.
Oh, I don't like it on a 15-minute. I definitely don't want to do it as a 15 minute. You got 2 minutes to correct yourself.
It was so crazy. If I had never taken my stop off and I just held that position, I'll still be in that zone.
You said if you took your stop off?
No, I'm saying if I never had taken, like, if I never had closed my position because it was about to hit my stop, I'd still be in this position. And I'd be like on the fence about whether or not I should close it or not.
If it gets above, I'm liking what I'm seeing now. If it stays above 970, that's on a 15-minute. That's a 15-minute break. 970 stays above it. We got 1 minute more.
Yeah, now the buyers just disappeared. So of course that just is consolidation. Great.
1 minute. 1 minute left. Stay above 970. You can come and retest 970. That's it. I don't want to go up there. Let's stay up there. If it can't stay above 970, I'm not making a straight no more. Because I need to reject the 15-minute break. 30 seconds.
Guess who has to go to freak?
Uh-huh.
Guess who has to go to freak to work?
You do.
Fucking holiday weekend. Time for this bullshit.
30 seconds. Come on, break and hold 970. Wow. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. Because once it popped, because I got in 68. So I'm going to end up popping break even on if it can't do this. Next time it pop up there. Oh, there you go. But continue. Yeah.
Just shopping, bro. I can't even. I'm just gonna wait. Wait to go to work. Yay!
So that means you don't work on Monday, right?
We all don't work on Monday because it's a holiday.
I know.
It's a freaking bank
So that
holiday.
means you get
The worst weekend possible. Fuck me, bro. Holy shit.
How is it the worst weekend? Come on.
These are the worst days for traders, bro. You can't trade Monday. It's a holiday.
So what does the Monday with the Wolves? You get a 3-day weekend to enjoy, reflect.
I already do that on the weekend.
Hmm?
I already do that on the weekend.
Yeah. Well, I'm still not against for bias, not no more. It's staying above 951. I wanted to see it break 970, but it's staying above 959, and I'm completely loving that. Because I think on my 5 minute, it's on somewhere that, on my 3 minute. On my 3 minute, that's a break structure, and that's recess, so.
Like, that was supposed to go. And the fact that it didn't go, it's just like, wow. I just kind of want to.
What number you getting on?
79.
You be getting on my account. Okay, that's what I'm gonna see. Give me 15.
Buyers up top with these highs. Hopefully, they keep us going higher.
Oh,
You can take the high out. Bro, if I didn't know any better, bro, this would be a fantastic sell. Look at that bearish SMT at those highs. Like, if I didn't see, like, I would be 1000% trying to sell this off because it's not trying to break higher inside of fair value guy. But I'm just thinking, like, okay, because there are buyers there, and then it's like there's a gap on the VIX or the gap on the QQQ that we can close. It's just like, we can
it's
do
not
either
just
one.
added into that bond. I went to rejection of the 30-minute midline. It just did on the 15-minute.
Well, this would be like the greatest short in the world. If let's say new hour comes, with
It
Jacks,
shouldn't come back down. It
Oh,
should,
man.
it should continue going up now. It came down way back down and retested the 30-minute midline.
we got room in the ATR, so I don't know what the freak is doing.
a 10 out. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm gonna
See if
just
I'm back down here.
just let
Push.
close this trade. Honestly, I don't care for it anymore.
I'm
And
actually liking it. I'm liking it. We're up that 970. I wanted this to be above. And we got 10 minutes left.
Order
So another
filled.
candle. I really want to go see it take 15.
I don't like it. Too many wicks, too many rejections. Hasn't broken out yet. Taking too much time. New
It
hour.
is taking time, but I think it's waiting for the new hour.
And it could do, to me, it could do either one. It could go lower, it could go higher, and I'm not willing to sit there for that because I'm gonna be, if I'm wrong, I'm gonna be pissed. So I'm gonna wait for the new hour. Taking way too
I'm
much time.
liking the 270 push. Like, I don't know. I'm liking. I would keep trying to stay above 270. What am I looking at?
It's like there were buyers. It's like there were buyers here. The buyers did not do anything, and then like we stayed consolidating, and then now we switched to consolidation, and now it's like okay, well, buyers on top of this high, the buyers didn't do anything there either. So what does that mean? Could be. I don't know.
Wait, what you know?
Five. Who's calling my phone? Way better trade idea. It's gonna be a way better trade idea than this horse shit. Horse rabbit shit. Holy shit! This dog water price action. Barcode. Gay.
It is barcode. I will give you that one.
Also gay. Very
I'm
homosexual.
done. I'm done with that one.
The crazy thing is, I would still be in the trade if I respected my stop loss. That's interesting.
Yeah, I mean,
My stop loss was at
we
that
talked
high.
about that before. You're supposed to, like, it's like when you place a trade, you have to put it in your head, like, that money that I'm risking is already gone.
Yeah, it was my fault.
It's already gone. So, therefore, we're not ending trades before they hit stop. We're just not moving our stop figure either. We just accept our risk and mentally say, all right, I didn't pay $150 to enter this trade. It's that simple. $150.
Crazy thing is that I wouldn't. I'm not even too mad that my entry was just a little chopped. Well, it wasn't chopped at all. Well, it was a little chopped. It was okay.
You get in like at the tops.
It was okay. It was just the fact that it was just the fact that
I'm about to get stopped out.
it was just the fact that like I didn't want to get stopped out in that trade. And this is all stemming from the fact that I took poor trades. Stupid.
Just got stopped.
Holy shit, bro.
I'm not sure that I started thinking about those stop me out. It took my home with $1,000.
Don't piss me off today, bro. Holy shit. This is all stemming from the fact that I took poor trades.
So this is this placement I'm looking for is not on a solid minute. Yeah.
I'm busy.
If it does this, I think it's
Huh?
I'm about to get into a cell.
What?
Oh, the office coming over.
Yes? Okay.
We should have been getting ready.
Holy dog water. Horse rabbit shit. Still being straight. Crazy. All stemming from the fact that I took 4 trades. Can you imagine? This first trade I took was just FOMO. I didn't want to miss out on that trade. And then, wow, crazy. Crazy. It's okay. That's why we limit our risk. Tomorrow's gonna be better. Wow. Whatever. Whatever. Major loser. Whatever. 5. Hello. Whatever. So that just wasn't ready, clearly. And so I did all that, waited, and then now we're about to go. Just obvious things like, oh, I knew this stuff, like, but the volume profile just looked too bullish. I thought I was gonna get stopped out, so I took it off. Waited for a better entry. Oh, there was no better entry. And then it looked like it was buying, but the buyers weren't doing nothing. But that's just a bad trade. Just so many decisions.
Okay, last time I seen that, it looked like he was doing just placements on the downside. Is that still accurate?
What happened? Are you not at your
Last,
screen?
last time I seen it, no, I had my microphone and then I had the peak. So
Yeah, we're going down now. All because of
yeah,
my fucking incompetence.
did it do a displacement environment?
It's about to. It's literally about to. All because of my incompetence. Wow. That is no, this is just so crazy. Like, I mean, this is so crazy. Like, I really was in this. I was really in this. That's crazy. Oh well. You live and you learn. You live and you learn. You live and you learn. Can't do nothing else other than that.
That's true.
New hour. Expects that 5-minute gap. That's what we're on. Shit. We are gone lower. That's it. 100%. Think. New hour coming up. Come on.
Okay, what am I looking at? Oh, 1 minute left. Oh, okay, so it's pretty good. That's serious. Okay.
Wow, you know what's so crazy? Like, I was in this entire trade. I was literally in it. I'm like I literally said this whole setup. I said I wanted to come up, take that high, and I'm selling it with every bone in my body. Comes up, taps the midline, then I just
Did
get
you
fucking.
sell it with every bone in your body?
I did. I did. No, but I took a trade. I took a trade before it took the high, because I thought like, oh, well, it wasn't. It was like bread, some tea, but that's not like a trade idea. Bread, some tea is not an entry. It tapped, then it went up, stopping out, took the fair value gap, hit the midline, and then got a little nervous because it was like kind of looking like a buy. And then now we're just doing bullshit. Gosh, coming back lower. Oh, wow. Trading is crazy.
I'm still waiting for a pullback. I think it's creating a fair value gap, so I want to see it come in and step into that fair value gap. Take it first sell.
I'm looking at that too.
That's it.
I'm
If it
looking
don't do
at
that,
that
I'm gonna
too.
get more. I mean, let me go on.
Should.
If it doesn't do that,
It should. That's point of control. It should. I believe
I
it.
wanted to see it come and
Sell
break
there.
862 would be like my next area of entry if it doesn't come up and touch.
New hour. Holy.
There we go.
You know what? No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Push.
It's gonna go. Holy mother shit.
No, get up there. Okay. This will be his entry. Come on, baby.
You're kidding, bro.
We got 1 minute. We got 1 minute. A 5-minute candle makes this direction at the 3-minute mark.
You are kidding right now. The FOMO.
Go.
FOMO is crazy.
Yeah, go. That's what I want to see. Okay.
The FOMO is crazy. I didn't get in yet.
I got into that.
I want to tap the midline, please.
We got 40
Please.
seconds. You got 40 seconds. That's all.
Please tap the midline.
It got too close. You
Please.
should have marked that one, man. I don't think you're gonna limit. You might get it. You might get it. 30 seconds.
Please.
30 seconds. No pushes for it.
Please.
Oh, wait. Go.
Please. Ah.
It's trying so hard to give it to you, babe.
It's shit.
And this is I'm looking at a 30-second. It's trying to go touch the midline, but it's not doing it. It's 30 seconds. Wait, you might get it now. No.
Red on the tape. I missed it.
Order filled.
I had to mark it.
I'm gonna kick your butt if you just got in that. I'm gonna kick. Oh my goodness.
Not the mark.
Why are you so delayed with entries right now?
Nah, I wanted to tap the midline, but it
I
is what
know, but it tapped the outer cusp.
it is. I understand, but just wanted to get the midline. If it didn't, that's okay. That's what it is. It is what it is. Is what it is.
I think this weekend should be contributed to you working on entries. I heard you said it earlier too, like, oh, no, was it earlier this week? Like, oh, yeah, this, but I hesitated, or my entry was sloppy, or you might get your midline over.
Order filled.
All right, so where's your profit be? I'm thinking 8-11, but I'm not. I don't want to do the midline of the daily. I don't feel like being that bold. But 811 is the midline of a 5 minute per value gap at the bottom. The first one we did on the leg.
Mm, probably.
I don't like the word disrespect. It's a little disrespectful for everything. We just tapped that 30-minute one. Again. Like, all respecting. Trying to respect the 5 minute one. There we go. Do not close above that midline of this 5 minute. We'll do that. I'm going to cut the short. Okay, what did you say your take profit was?
722.
You said what?
722.
722? Mars 811. I'm not putting too low in this market today.
Yeah, it's reasonable.
You have a 5 minute for you got on that I'm targeting.
It's crazy.
I'll take some off right here.
This is so crazy, bro. Life is so crazy. Like, trading is actually ridiculous. You know that?
Mm-hmm. We're at 903.
You took some off. That was a good exit.
I did. I took some off. But I had 20 contracts, so you know me.
So I should buy.
Yeah, some more real quick.
Hopefully it keeps going past that low. So if it doesn't, then
903 is pretty strong.
yeah, there's a lot of buyers right there too. We need to like flush past that low. If we don't, then that's not good.
I feel like once it starts breaking out, it's gonna. Ooh, we have a.
There's buyers right
What
there.
time frame
Careful.
is this hour? We have an hour for value gap underneath us. Oh crap! I didn't even see that. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Watch
There's
that
buyers there
for
too.
possible bounce.
There's buyers in this area here too. I'm watching the close. I'm gonna take some off. I'm selling. I should buy. Golly,
What is
man.
that? 862. What is 862? Why don't I have that marked up? Where is that from? Oh, okay. 862 is on the 5 minute a breaker structure. Oh, and that lines up with the hourly value gap. Take some more. Wait. Here. At the break of that oblique.
It's buyers here, so I can see why it's hesitating. That needs to go though. Probably might go up into that freight.
We're
Might,
right at weekly kickoff low.
might scoot up into that freight gap to. Let's scoot
I
up into
definitely
that.
want to see a break. 62.
That 15, that 5, bro. This looks. I hate myself, bro. I literally hate
What kind of
myself.
language is that?
The language that it shows that I'm confident in what I'm saying. That's what that means. Like, how can I literally have a whole trade idea and just not follow it? This happens all the time.
I don't know. You gotta explain that one because what you following your rules and having a trade idea is part of your.
Red on the tape. Ooh. I kind of want to take partials. Or should I just take the whole thing?
Nah. I want to see a break on. We got 1 minute left to celebrate it. I think maybe
Holy moly.
we didn't came as far. We didn't broke 1, 2, 3 lows. We broke 3 lows with
But there's
our
buyers there.
first
That's why.
swing, and then we came up, tapped into that 5 minute, and this is the second leg going down. So I think it's gonna continue to go. I would want to take some off at below 890. Really, 862 is.
Whatever. I'm just gonna like take something. I'll take this whole thing off. This is not. I don't want this to come and stop me out. Like, what the fuck is
I don't
that?
like how we're respecting that 5 minute for value gap that we're in right now. We're respecting it, and I don't like that. I don't want to see it disrespected.
But I'm saying
I meant to take some off, and I added in. Oh my gosh, that
Right
just
on
messed
to
up my entry
5.
so badly. It's fine.
Right on to the new 5. Bullish momentum buys right there. I should have known this, bro.
It's about to stop me out. Yep. I'm so glad I did that.
Fuck.
It's respecting that 5 minute fair value gap. It rejected it to go back up higher. So now we're in between PDRAs. We're in between 2 5 minute FBGs. And I don't like that. It just tapped into the previous one up top and rejected it.
Bro, I forgot what I'm still doing here.
Are you still on this one?
Yes, but I'm about to close it. It's a nasty candle.
I think it's going to drop.
I hope it does.
I just tried too tightly. I think it's still going to drop though. Like it went back and tapped into that 5 minute fair value. 5 minute fair value gap at the top and rejected it.
But it needs to reject with speed, not like.
But I see it. I see it's gonna drop. I think it's gonna drop.
It needs to reject with speed, not this bullshit. This buyer's right there, so that's why
I'm liking it. I'm liking the BA right now though. You're not liking it?
I'm over it. It's just annoying because like that low was a good exit, and I didn't take it, and we hit buyers, and that's why it's rejecting, obviously. What did I do?
Both of them. But it's staying below at 935, which is a 5 minute break of structure.
You can take it to the low though. The fuck? This shit's annoying. The dumbest shit in the world. Don't even take it.
Where's your stop at?
The high, the fair value gap.
Okay. I'm still liking this first sell. It's rejecting at 935, which is a break of structure on the 5 minute. On the 15 minute, the break of structure was 943.
Right, and this is point of control as well. It's so stupid. What a terrible fucking trade. A terrible looking trade. Like, even the PA is just like not encouraging at all.
It's not. I just think it's holding on. That's what I feel like. It's holding on before it drops. Look at it on 15 minutes. Like it broke the body of the 10-15 candle. It broke it with the 10-45 candle, and then this 11 o'clock candle went and retested that 943 just to reject it. The cause rejected it.
I would love for it to keep going. That would be nice. But...
yeah, 860 is still low. Stop loss. I jumped right in there. That's a 5 minute FBG.
What a break! Oh my goodness! I turned away for 1 second.
For it to go lower than that. I'm about to take some off. I think break. Ooh.
You narrated?
Break 903.
You narrated?
Oh.
It broke? Can you narrate it? I can't. I have to.
Yeah, it broke 903.
Can you narrate it? I'm trying to use the bathroom and do all the stuff and get ready to leave. Can you tell me what's going on? I have to leave, so I'm trying to go. So can you narrate the trade? I'm trying to. Nah, I mean, never mind. I'm back.
I had a 5 minute, so 5 minutes. I want to see a break.
Never mind. I'm back. What's this? A new 15 coming up? That looks clean.
Yeah.
That
I
15
want to see it
looks
stay
clean.
within 19.
But like I said, there's buyers right there, so that's why it's not. That's why it's taking all this godmother freaking time. New 15 in 30 seconds. If we crack, man, and because it's right below these buyers are sellers. If we crack, it's game over to the low. This will be a beautiful trade, but guess who executed it the worst way possible? This guy.
That's okay.
This guy. Yes, he executed it the worst way possible. This guy. E15.
I want to see it go and break line 10, but it's not. We just tapped line 19. Oh, beautiful tap. That's so pretty. Yeah. The price action, the pressure I'm seeing and build right now. Oh, look at that. They just tapped line 03 again. Come on, break it, babe.
All right, bro.
Break it.
What?
I mean, again.
I fumbled.
Oh, look at it.
I fumbled bad.
You're still in, right? Okay, so.
15 for the break of the low.
There we go. Okay. Took some off there. Bring my stop into profit by 100 bucks.
Still buyers right there.
I want to see it break 890 and take me down to 860. 860 is my take profit. There we go. I like that break of that weekly low.
Right on the tape as well.
860. Give me 860 by the top and slip that. Oh, we're close. We almost talking to that. So right, we got that hourly figure.
Yeah, this 15 minutes 30.
Okay.
If this doesn't go right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a big rejection. I don't like it anymore. 1 minute almost 3. We have an inefficiency up top. Let me move my stop back up there. Hold on. 5 minute is showing a candle body inefficiency, value inefficiency at 917. Have to watch for that. It might go and lick in you because it is inefficiency and it don't like to leave body. So it might go with it up there to 917. So don't be alarmed if it does that. Just close below 910 though before you wake up there if you want to wait. 910 is a 5 minute break of structure. Right for above it. You want to look at the line 18. I like these wicks. I got stuff down. Yeah, 922. I think I was trying to go back up to 935, which I don't really see. Yeah, 127. If we go to 933, I'm done. Like, I don't like this other bar. It's a song. We're not up. We just played 933. We're back in our first 5 minutes right now. 9:39. We tapped the 5 minutes value gap that was above us, and we're rejecting it again. Listen to how hard that's really. I know. It's so fun. Okay, so we are rejecting the final rate up again. We are beneath 9:33, barely. Come on, stay beneath there. 20 seconds left for this 5 minute candle. Right now I'm working. We need to wait a minute. We're below 9:33. I'm liking it. Okay, so I'm liking how the 5 minute close moved in. Trade still active for a sell. Oh, nope. I don't like that. It just popped up. 9:36, 9:37, 9:38, 9:40. I don't like this one. It might not have been like a big sell. It might have just been like a pullback we were in. Are you still in the stream?
Yeah.
Well, where's your entry?
9:34. Better stop out.
I'm just saying, yeah. You probably should take it all off at 8:90, which is the weekly kickoff low.
75.
We're at the top of the market. Whenever you got. It might just be a pullback up. Let me see. But I don't like I feel like we shouldn't have came back up there. We just placed lower, came back into that already, got tapped it, a little lower. We hit the weekly low, rejected it, came up. We might be going to that fair right, that 5 minute Vega way top that I was aiming for way earlier. At 15, that it never gave me. It never gave me 15. That's right.
Oh, this is crazy.
Order filled.
Did not get paid for none of that. Could have taken their buyers right there. I didn't get paid for none of that.
Where are you taking some
Nope.
Please talk about that. When you're in Georgia, you take some That's one of the rules.
Oh, I was literally like deep in profit too. Holy shit, bro. That was supposed to go. That was not supposed to go up like that.
So why didn't you take one off because you're a deeper pocket?
I don't know.
No, you do. We can talk about this. I'm assuming we're gonna reiterate what you already know.
Shit, people. It's coming down and going up. Oh, so for me, ain't nothing else I can fucking do after that.